Hi, I'm Marty Malloy. I'm an attorney here at E.S. Gallen Associates, and we deal every day with people going through divorces and dissolutions and trying to ascertain what their rights are in regards to their property rights. For example, if you and your husband or spouse, wife have been working at a job where there's a retirement, what are your rights to that retirement? The courts in Ohio have determined that it's an equal opportunity, so that you have an interest in one half of whatever was earned during the course of the marriage. There are certain documents that need to be prepared so that you can protect those interests. You need to make sure that your interest on those retirement benefits are protected. And the courts also find that you have a right to equal protection under the law for the asset division in the house. Couches, chairs, TVs, etc. Typically, those things can be worked out between the parties, hopefully without court intervention, but we're here to help on those issues if we need to be. You're also looking at bank accounts and debts, and the major issue is real estate. How do we deal with a home going through a divorce or dissolution? Typically, we like to have that property appraised by someone that's an appraiser, not a realtor, because the realtor is looking at a value different than an appraiser would look at. So you want to make sure you have a proper value put on it. Find out if there's any mortgage or debts against that property. And then if either of the parties want to retain that property, how are we going to accomplish that through borrowing against it or other assets that can be offset, etc. So it's a very difficult process, very complicated, and it's something that you really need an attorney to help you do. So if you're going through a divorce or dissolution, or if you have questions about what happens with my retirement, how do I get the retirement, how do I get a 401k, how do I get other issues regarding property that's not going to be delivered right away, such as retirements or 401ks, but in the future, how do I protect my interest? Those are the issues we deal with every day in divorces and dissolutions. And we hope that if you're going through that process, that we here at E.S. Gallen Associates can help you make that a little easier.